A terrorist group has been terrorizing the northeastern part of Nigeria for years now. Civilians have been killed by the terrorist group. The president has condemned the actions of the group and ordered the military to hunt down whoever is responsible. Now we'll bring you a live footage from Sambisa Forest. From the video, we can see two pastors abducted by the group and being led to where they may likely be killed. Now let us watch and see how the story would end.
Allahu Akbar!
Christian, Christian amu, son komeba. Not a bacha, it's not a lalach when I do that. Serious is not a lalach yara, not Jesus, and Dr. Babu at the chat, or Panza Chachi. Shake it. That's Kani uncle, there. Kani uncle, I like the Kesho. I like the Kesho, who will come? I don't shake it. They were Papa Kaki, at Kesho and Papa, shake it. I don't know, Kani uncle, shake it. Hey, I give you two options. Deny Jesus or die. You are wasting my time. Deny Jesus or die.
I deny him.
Take him away. I give you two options. Deny Jesus or die. Okay, Magana. Okay, you are wasting my time. Deny Jesus or die. I will put you in front of my situation. You are all that matters. You are all that matters. I will make room for two. You are my Jesus. You are all that matters. You are all that matters. Oh, hey, oh. You are all that matters. Oh, hey, oh. You are all that matters, Jesus. You are all that matters in every condition. You are all that matters in every situation. You are all that matters, no matter what is happening to me. You are all that matters. Oh, you are all that matters. Oh, you are all that matters. Masori kalabosha kanaya. We kalalaza kalabosha kanaya. Masukalabosha kanaya. Masukala tala telele. Marila bosi kalabosa latatala. Mayara la 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 bosha kaya. Erila kasabo rikala tatata. Masikalabosa kanaya. Mandele telebosa kanaya. Masukalabosi kanaya. Masakalari la bosha kanaya. Abodi, get down for power. Give us the power. We want the power. Give us the power. Give us the power. Give us the power. Thank you for your lives. Thank you. Hey.
Receive this power to live for God. I deliver you from every terrorism. I deliver you from every evil. In the mighty name of Jesus. The Bible says that if the Son of Man shall set any man free, he will be free indeed. I set you free in the name of Jesus. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for a day like this. In the mighty name of Jesus. That's the power. That's the power. That's the power. Hey, brother. Hey. That's the power.